Hey there, welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create a stunning landing page using Canva. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make a sleek, eye-catching landing page right from scratch, even if you've never designed one before. Whether you're looking to showcase your portfolio, launch a product, or collect signups, you'll have the skills to create something that stands out and truly works for you. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's an incredibly friendly and versatile design tool that runs right in your browser. You don't need any fancy software or complicated setup, just open up Canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, signing up is free and only takes a minute. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look towards the top right corner and click on that familiar, big Create a Design button. This is where the magic begins. Now, when the menu pops up, you'll see all sorts of design types, but to make it easy, go straight to the search bar. Simply start typing the words landing page. You'll notice Canva suggests the landing page design template almost instantly. Click on it, and Canva will generate a perfect-sized, blank landing page layout for you to begin customizing. Here comes the fun part, choosing your starting point. Canva will show you a whole wall of ready-made landing page templates. There's everything from modern and minimal to playful and bold, depending on your style and what your page is about. Don't rush this step, take a few moments to scroll through and find a template that feels like the right fit. Remember, this initial look is just your jumping-off point. You'll have complete control to tweak and personalize as much as you like. If you're feeling extra creative or have a specific vision in mind, you can even start from a blank canvas. Now that you've selected your base, let's start making it your own. Click on any element, maybe it's a headline, an image, or a button, and you'll see options pop up to change text, adjust colors, or update fonts. This is where Canva really shines because everything is designed to be super intuitive. Maybe you want your brand colors front and center, just click, choose the color you want, and see your page transform. If you want to add new elements like photos, illustrations, icons, or social links, just use the left-hand sidebar. Drag and drop anything you like right onto your page. For example, you might want to insert your logo at the top or add a call to action button that invites people to sign up or learn more. Don't be afraid to try things out and explore different options. Sometimes the best designs come from a bit of playful experimentation. Move things around, adjust the spacing, or try out a new background. It's all about making the landing page reflect your unique purpose and personality. And if you make a change you don't love, just hit undo and try again. There's no risk in experimenting here. When you feel happy with your landing page design, take a moment to review everything. Double-check your headlines, make sure your links are working, and see how your design looks both on desktop and mobile preview. This extra attention to detail really helps your page feel professional and ready to share. And just like that, you're done. You've created a fantastic landing page in Canva, ready to launch to the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need further tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.